Well, good afternoon. She's gonna break out. Let's see where the all-time highs are at on this Joker. It's 17992. Be right back. Where'd you going? Not my shoes. Oh man, you can't eat my shoes. Jeez. All right, pre-market high. Dang, almost 1800 is all-time highs. And she's just gonna continue to march. Dang it. I'm going to hop in and try to trail this up. There's right there at a pivot. I really like to try to trail this all the way to wherever she's going to end at, wherever that might be. and get through this next. There it goes. That feels better. Pull back before going higher, maybe. Cues on the, I don't know about a pullback. Actually, looking at that on the 15, that's pretty convincing. And where is all-time highs for this? Here, 430. 430.24 for this one. SPY still has a ways. 496.05. Hey, thank you, Parmont. uh, I should probably be content with that and start over again tomorrow, right? We've done nothing but march up for Dang, almost 4 hours. Since 10, we've done nothing but go up. Yeah, till $100 lot. I hear you. I hear you. I scaled down. I was using a lot bigger size earlier. Now that I've got some decent profits built up, I've scaled down a little bit. So I keep expecting it to pull back a little bit. That's quite the run. you know, Hopefully you guys were able to catch some of this today. Know what I'm definitely not doing, and that is jumping in short. No shorting. Yeah, stop loss hunters. That's what hurts, man. You jump in, you think you're gonna, catch a quick scalp, and the next thing you know, it smacks right back in your face. But I mean, I don't know. This is as high as we have ever been up here. This red line. That's 792. I mean, it's conceivable we could keep on marching today. I'd have just throw one on, set the loss back down here at the lows, and let it go. That's what I should do. You had a bad day? That sucks, man. Did you get hung up in the news earlier? Then we have I can't even remember what the news was earlier. Was it job numbers, wasn't it? Is that what it was earlier this morning? Oh, PMI. That's right. PMI this morning. Just kind of hanging out and watching to see what it's going to do up here before before jumping back in. She's going to consolidate and then take off again, or consolidate and roll back off. I don't like that. How do you get those? There we go. 25K in the last 2 months. That's awesome, dude. Congrats on that. That's that's all right, man. That's right. I remember you telling me that last time that you trade Forex. Yeah, anytime you can pull money out of the market is a good day. That makes all the troubles disappear. Going to Target. See, 45 is the high of those last candles. 55 puts us right in the middle of this. Yeah, I bet you do feel like top of the world with a 10K day. I would too. I would too. We're gonna go for a 10-point mover here. We'll see if it can't happen. Watch it come up here and feel me and then crash. So if you trade, why don't you trade futures? You or you just find Forex easier to deal with. 10K, shoot. Yeah, I would. That would be something, wouldn't it? 100K day. That would be phenomenal. Curious to see what it does at the top of this range. You started Forex about 4 months ago. Right? Yeah, yeah. You're making that first $1,000. Yeah, that's great progress. That is awesome progress. So my goal, depending on how many counts I have, is these two 150s that I'm. First of all, what you're looking at now is E valves. I don't know if you picked up on that or not, but I'm trying to get these other two E valves passed. Those two on the bottom. Hey, you better let me know when you do that. That's cause for celebration, my friend. But the goal for me is to get, $400 to $500 a day. That is my goal. It's actually 400, and then anything over 400 is, you know, uh, um, extra or a blessing, however you want to look at it. So, so in Forex, does it work like a contract? Is that how it works in Forex? Or what do they call it? A lot? Is it a lot? I got the terminology right there. And then you're trading it for pips. Yeah, a lot. Or lot sizes, right? And then how many do you trade um, per trade? Like, do you use two? Do you use five, 10? I'm assuming it works somewhat like futures does. I've never traded it before. Is the reason why I'm asking. It's kind of the same. Yeah, chart is the same. Yeah, price right now seems to be kind of stuck. I use 20. Okay, all right. I know. I know with this, if you slap, well, you've seen me do it actually. If you slap five on and it gets to, well, with five, with, oh, and catch 10 pips for 2,000. I see. Gotcha. Or that's the goal anyway, right? Yeah, so with like five on this, if it moves 2 points, 8 ticks, that's $200. Uh, and that's just my scalp routine. That's what I try to clip off scalping. Obviously, that doesn't always go in my favor. It doesn't always work, but that's what I try to do. So looks like you might want to roll back off now. Yeah, catch big moves. That's awesome. Whew, look at that. Roll right back down. We will take that off because that doesn't look like that's going to happen now. Wonder how many people are trapped right in here now. Oh, that's pain. 20 points. Hold for a few hours. So you hold for a bigger move then. Mhm. Uh, that's emotional. That's emotionally fit. This looks like it wants to sell back off. 'There's such a strong move up. So that is now our high. 676 is VWAP. 'I'm kind of ate up with trading myself. It's it kind of fascinates me a little bit. The market in general fascinates me. Um, it's incredible. It's incredible to me how much money is moved through the markets in not just futures and not just the Nasdaq, but in general. In the blink of an eye, it's hundreds of millions of dollars. It's crazy, crazy. It's fascinating. Just like in this move we just watched, that's 30 points in what, 3 minutes? That is a crap ton of money that just got moved from here to here. That is a crap ton of money that just got moved. Yeah. And that's not even a big move. That's just 30 points, you know. It's all paper money. You kind of get numb to it a little bit. Like I kind of get I know that might sound silly. Excuse me, but dealing with such big numbers all the time, you kind of I don't know how else to say that. You kind of I really don't even think about it that much anymore. Not that I am making all of that. I'm just saying as numbers in general, I really don't think about it that much anymore. I'm fixing to take a stab short, right? Oh, did I miss it or? Oh, look at that. Look, I love it. Did y'all see that? That's killer, dude. Oh, it was only two contracts, but that felt good. Oh shoot, I'm not out of one of them. Oh, you butthole! You didn't give me both of them. Ah. Oh well. I got one of them though. That was cool. Trade copier screwed me, but that's all right. Yeah, I've got those top two are linked together. That the eyesight sucks now. So the top one didn't. And it'll take you out at the take profit at the bottom, right? But the second one, if you scroll back and look, the second one will pick up the exit entry. Well, if you look at that, the exit entry was buying, so now it has me in long while the market's sitting here tanking. That's how you really can, when it's really volatile, you can really screw yourself quickly. Like if I wouldn't have taken it off right now, I would be down, I don't know, a couple of $100, I guess, right now. But yeah, very rarely ever the trade copier mess up and it go in my favor. It's always a loser for me. Yeah, that's the reason why the bottom one says it's $600 more than the top one. Yeah, it happens. Like I said, I pay a lot closer attention to it now than when I first started. There's been a couple of times where you don't catch it, after a couple of trades, and then you go look at your your account balance. You're like, wait a minute, what is going on here? But anyway, that was a pretty nice trade though. Caught that pretty much all the way down on that one account. right here at VWAP. What is it going to do with VWAP right here? It's going to bounce. You're at a pivot. Ooh, ooh, no bounces. Hmm, that sucks, man. But sounds like you get to live to fight another day, right? That's one thing I got to get better at is living to fight another day. Not letting one loss take my whole account out, you know? Yeah. And if it comes down to the bottom of this, it might pick up some steam to the downside. I go. One more scalp. Gosh, it's late on the entry on that one. See if it bails me out here or not. Nope. Looks like I'm going to give some back here. Give it a minute. It was a horrible entry on my part. Damn it. Oh well. That big trade I won on, I just gave it back. So win some, you lose some. should have taken it right here, not freaking there. Yeah, that's the beauty of prop firms, right? Yeah, it is better to. Man, I get burnt so many times on placing a hard stop though, and then that really turns into me. I'm glad I took that one off right there. Really turns into me doing a lot of revenge trading. Like it really messes. Excuse me. It really messes with my psyche when I when it goes up and hits my stop, like a hard stop that's already placed, and then it comes right back down to my entry. It really that makes me so mad, causes me to go on tilt. Yeah. Yeah, that was a bad entry though. I missed the entry. That entry I should have put it right freaking here. Right there should have been my entry to go short for the scalp on that, and I tried to force the issue. So my bad. Hey, I cut the loser though. That's the main thing, right? Watch it. Watch it freaking roll right back off. You dog. Falling into that trap though is what will freaking kill me though. Cuz I'll lull myself to sleep with, "Oh, it'll always come back. It'll always come back," until it doesn't. Oh, it's about to. Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up right there. I appreciate you guys hopping on, and yeah, I guess I will schedule these out for the rest of the week. I'm going to try to hop on every day this week. So I guess I will catch you all next time. All right. Take care.